Hey guys, Jeremy here from the Baldwin Trading Post. We're back out today to blow some more stuff up. We're country boys and rednecks, and that's what we like to do. So today we've amped it up with even more, as you'll probably see here in just a moment. We're going to see how big of a boom that we can make. And we brought out a really cool gun to do it with today. I'm not going to spoil it, but this gun is going to make a big splash. Y'all check it out. You've never seen a gun like this before, and we're excited to have it out here today. And it's in gauge caliber. It's .308. So y'all watch as we make something go boom. Right.
I'll do 25.
26.
27. This point out, I don't know if hard to get that thing back clean.
I'm ready.
All right, so this is ground zero. This is where the cooler full of Tannerite was sitting at. And as you can kind of see, it's about a 30-foot circle right here. It's just everything is gone. Decent little indention in the ground right there where it was at. And it's just no longer with us. They're finding little small pieces out in there, but that cooler is no longer with us. That's all I'm finding. It's like an Easter egg hunt, but for men. Looks like a dog was just chewed to pieces. That was part, there was some of the tape that was on the lid, so that's part of the lid. And that's just shreds. That's all that's left of it. Maybe if it had been the Yeti, we'd find bigger pieces. I don't know. Crazy. All right, guys, today we brought out one from my personal collection, something that's very special. This thing right here has been broke out of cobwebs. It's been sitting a long time, all the way since the Vietnam era. We're fixing to put a few rounds down range. May have been sitting in cobwebs for a long time, but Colt is still the only way to go. All right, guys, one cool things about having a Vietnam era Colt is that third position on the switch. Let some freedom ring.
Dad's not having all the fun. It's my turn now.